Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account on iOS or Android app. So I will be using iOS, so simply open the application and right bottom corner option is the settings, and in Android you will see this setting in the top right corner of three lines because Android has been built the Facebook application different. So I will be just go in settings and just finding the settings and privacy. Simply again tap on its settings and just finding the deletion option. So here is the personal details, so simply just tap on it easily, and here is you will see the account ownership and control. So simply just tap on it. So here is the option is deactivation or deletion, so I will just tap on it simply. So just selected your account. So if you want to just delete your account temporarily, so you will be just tap on it deactivate account and simply just tap on it continue and give them password to delete your Facebook account. And if you want to just delete it permanently, so the procedure are also same, just tap on it continue and just give them password, and it will be just deleted permanently on iOS or Android app. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.